Hello, hi guys. This is CA Balakrishna from Lecturepedia.in. How are you? Hope you people are doing well. Even I am fantastic. I know it's been a long time since I have been active on YouTube. I guess it is almost 3 months since I have uploaded a video on YouTube, and in these 3 months, I have received a lot of messages from the students asking, "Sir, what happened? Why no video is being uploaded onto YouTube? Why you are not, active on social media? What happened?" Like this, I have received a lot of messages from the students. See, nothing has happened, everything is normal, but the thing is, in these 3 months or 4 months time, I have been quite busy working for you people only. Yes, I have been working on improving the way in which audit is being taught to you people, and yes, I have done some magic in these 3 months, and I have come up with some surprises and some announcements to you people for upcoming November 2024 examinations with respect to audit subject. If you see, at CA final level, students are basically struggling to score good marks in audit, and many students, they are struggling to just pass audit. I wanted to solve this problem for you people, and in the past 3 months, I have tried my level best to improve this audit subject. Yes, I'll be announcing these various things that I have developed with respect to audit in this video. And if you see, based on my interaction with the students, the most common issues or the most common complaints that the students are having with respect to audit subject, I have categorized those complaints into three categories. So what are the pain points of audit that needs to be solved? First of all, when I have interacted with the students, most of the students have told me that, "Sir, audit subject is, first of all, it is a theory subject and it is boring." Okay, this is the first problem that the students have shared with me. Okay, let's say if you start reading audit subject, you'll be able to read audit subject for a for 1 hour or 1.5 hour. That's it. After that, you'll get bored and you don't feel like reading that subject. So this is the first problem, or the first type of issue that the students have shared with me. This is the first problem. Second type of problem: "Sir, it is very hard to remember the uh, theory in the audit." Basically, after reading the audit, we are able to memorize and we are able to remember the theory for 1 day or 2 day, but after 2 days, if we open the book, it will be again a new concept for us, or we are not able to remember what we have read previously. So the second type of issue is, it is very hard to remember. Okay, this is the second pain point that has to be solved. So the first pain point that has to be solved is, it is a boring theory subject. So how it has to be made interesting. So I have worked on this, and I have also came with a I have also come up with solutions for these pain points. I will be sharing them with you. And finally, it is difficult to revise the entire audit subject in 1.5 days before the examination. We are not able to completely revise the audit subject. So, based on my interaction, these are the three pain points that the students are having with respect to audit. Now, to solve these pain points, there are some solutions that Lecturepedia is offering. What are they? See, what I thought is, there should be some fundamental change in which the subject is being taught. So in order to fundamentally change the way in which subject is being taught, there should be change in the material, the books that you will be using for the audit subject. So Audit Concise Book. This Audit Concise Book, it was there even earlier also, but I have made some drastic changes in this Audit Concise Book. Basically, now this previously Audit Concise Book, the first edition and second edition of Audit Concise Book was black and white, right? But now the third edition of Audit Concise Book is color book. Not only this, still various changes and various improvements I have made for in this Audit Concise Book. I'll be sharing all those improvements in this video. Okay, I'll also be launching the Audit Concise Book. See here, I have brought a copy of this Audit Concise Book. We will be launching this Audit Concise Book in this video, and I'll be explaining you how you can utilize this Audit Concise Book to the maximum level. Okay, so this is the first thing, which is Audit Concise Book. I'll explain you what are the changes that I have made to this Audit Concise Book. And the second thing is question and answers book, Audit Q&A. We were having Audit Q&A previously also, but it was again black and white. But the new Audit Q&A, the second edition of Audit Q&A, is color book. Okay, and there are also various changes that I have made to this Audit Q&A book that I will be explaining you. Okay, I have also brought this Audit Q&A book, which will also be launching in this video. Okay, and I'll also be sharing with you how to order these books. All that I'll share with you. And the third thing is the classes. See, I have drastically improved the way in which audit classes are being taught. In these 3 months of time, you can say I have been working on audit classes for past 5 months. Okay, I have kept all my other works aside, and I have been working on these audit classes every day for past 4 to 5 months. I have been working on audit classes. Basically what I have done is I have prepared PowerPoint presentations. I'll be showing you those PowerPoint presentations. Okay, sample of PowerPoint presentations I'll be showing you. In those PowerPoint presentations, there are various interactive images, and I have summarized the concepts in those PowerPoint presentations in order to easily explain you in the class, and in order to enable you people to easily understand the concept and to make the class lively and engaging. Okay, so from now onwards, the newly recorded classes, actually the audit classes have been completely revamped by me. Okay, I have re-recorded these audit classes with the help of those PowerPoint presentations. I hope you will thoroughly enjoy those audit classes. I'll be showing you sample of the presentations that I have used in the regular classes. So these are the 3 things that I have worked on in these 4 months of time. Literally every day, morning 10 o'clock to evening around 7 or 8, I have spent complete time for upgrading these books and upgrading the classes and preparing the PowerPoint presentations. Literally I have kept all my other works aside. Okay, even I'm having practice, even those works also I have kept aside. My assistants, my staff, they are handling that work. I have completely assigned myself to these things in these past 4 months. That is the reason why I was not able to upload any video on the YouTube. Now sir, you are telling you have worked for almost 4 months on these things. uh, what improvements you have made? I'll tell you. First of all, What's new in the Audit Concise third edition? As I have already told you, this Audit Concise third edition is completely a color book. Okay, it is no more a black and white book. It is a color book full of colors you will find in the Audit Concise book. Next, now audit is such a subject where you will get the marks if you thoroughly remember key terms and if you thoroughly write those key terms in the examination. See, if in your answer paper the valuationer doesn't find those key terms, he will not allot the marks to you. Okay, he will deduct your marks. So in audit subject, it is very much important to memorize these key terms and to focus on these key terms and to write these key terms in the answers that you will write in the examination. So for this purpose, what I have done is, in the entire Audit Concise book, in each and every chapter and in each and every concept, all the key terms I have highlighted them in the red. Okay, in the red color I have highlighted the key terms. In a short period of time I will be showing you the sample copy of audit book. Okay, after the book is launched I will be showing you the PDF of the Audit Concise book. Then you will be understanding how I have highlighted the key terms. So that is the second major change that I have made to Audit Concise book. Next, see, first of all, audit subject, it is a huge subject. There are a lot of concepts in the audit, and before the examination, or if you don't have time for preparation, it is quite common that you people will be depending on important concepts. It is not that you should completely leave other concepts and focus only on the important concepts. You will be studying other concepts also, but you wanted some concepts, some important concepts on which you can focus more. So for this purpose, in the Audit Concise book itself, for each and every topic, I have marked them if they are important. Okay, with a special symbol like this, important. I have, if that concept is important for examination, I have marked that concept. Okay, behind that concept, you will find this symbol. Okay, important symbol you will find. So this way, in entire Audit Concise book, all the important concepts I have marked, I have highlighted them with this symbol. Okay, this is another change that I have made to Audit Concise book. Next, yes, as I have already told you, I have prepared PowerPoint presentations for using them in the classes. Okay, from now onwards, all our classes will be with the help of those PowerPoint presentations only. And in those PowerPoint presentations, believe me, there are a lot of engaging images. Okay, based on the concept, I have kept the relevant image for the concept. See, it might be possible that you might have understood the concept and you might have remembered the concept, but after 1 month or after 2 months there is a chance that you might forget that concept. So if you remember the relevant image which is aptly suitable that concept, then there is a high chance that you will not forget that theory part or you will not forget that concept. Okay, you will be able to remember that concept for a longer period of time. So images will help to carry the concepts with you for a longer period of time. So the same images which I have used in the PowerPoint presentations, the same images you will find in the Audit Concise book also. So if you have listened to my classes with the help of those PPT, the same images they will be you will be finding them in the Audit Concise book also, so that you can easily remember and memorize those concepts. Okay, so this is another major change that I have made to Audit Concise book, right? So I guess you got a brief idea of what I am speaking about, right? Now let us launch this Audit Concise book, and I'll explain you the features of this Audit Concise book. Okay, let me first of all open this package. Yes, I've been waiting for almost 3 months for this moment. Really, you don't believe, uh, there has been a lot of improvement that has been done to this Audit Concise book. Once you receive this book, you will understand. Not even once you receive this book, once I show you the PDF of this book, you will understand the changes that I have done to this book. So this would be the cover page of our new third edition Audit Concise book, and I guess you might not be able to clearly see this book here in the video. Don't worry, I will be opening the PDF in a while, and I will be showing the features of this Audit Concise book. Okay, and before that, in the back of this Audit Concise book, you'll find a QR code. Basically this QR code, once you scan this QR code, you will get a Google form to give feedback on this book. Okay, after you have used this book for 15 days or 1 month, like that, you please scan this QR code and you please give your feedback, because your feedback will help me to improve this book further in the upcoming editions, so that will be useful to your juniors as well. Okay, your feedback will be useful for me to improve this audit book, so as to help your juniors as well. So please, if you purchase this audit book, you please don't forget to give feedback by scanning this QR code. Okay, so now I'll open the PDF of Audit Concise and I'll explain you the features. I'll also tell you the pricing of this book. So yes, this is question bank. Yeah. So this would be the first page of Audit Concise book. Here I'll be explaining you how to use this Audit Concise book. Okay, how to get maximum benefit from these Audit Concise book. I have explained it there. Just a second. I'll open this in the Chrome. So basically, this is not working properly. Just give me a second. Yes. So this is the first page, and here you can find the index, the chapter wise page number, and the weightage you'll find here. Okay, and then chapter wise the book will be like this. Basically the entire text, it will be in blue color. Okay, the text will be blue color, and the important concepts, sorry, the key terms, I will be highlighting them in the red. I'll show you. Let me open the first chapter. So this is the first chapter, quality control. and here the name of the concept, it will be highlighted with a different color, and all the key terms, if you see here SQC1 versus SA220, in this the key terms I have highlighted them in the red. Okay, everything that you find in the red are the key terms, and if this concept is important, I have also given beside that concept a special symbol saying that this concept is important. Okay, and for each and every concept there are some images as well. Okay, the same images that I have used in the PPT, the same images you will find in the Audit Concise book as well. Okay, this book, it is completely a color book. Okay, the same way how you are seeing the book here, the same book you will receive. Okay, and the demo copy of this book, the first 50 pages of this book, I will be giving the link for the first 50 pages of this book in the description. Even in the product page on our website lecturepedia.in also you can find the demo book. Okay, the link there I will be giving. Even in our Telegram channel also I will be uploading the first 50 pages of this Audit Concise book. Not only Audit Concise book, even the first 50 pages of the question bank will also be uploaded by me. Okay, so this way the entire Audit Concise book will be there, and I have not compromised on the ICAI terminology. Okay, the same terminology that the ICAI has used you will be finding in this Audit Concise book as well. Okay, and no concept has been missed, everything 100% is being covered in the Audit Concise book. However, some concepts, okay, if I felt that it is completely irrelevant, the chance of asking them is completely zero, those minor concepts I have left over. Okay, but 99% of the concept you'll find. Okay, this book is sufficient for the examination. Okay, you can easily score exemption. Okay, believe me, you can easily score exemption if you just follow this book and solve the audit question bank. Okay, and if you have listened to the classes, it is even more better. Okay, there is 100%, I will give 100% surety that you will pass in the audit subject. And if you have, you know, kept more efforts, then sure, for sure you will get exemption also in audit subject if you have gone through the classes. Okay, so basically there are around 338 pages you'll find in this Audit Concise book. Okay, 338 pages means around 150 papers. Okay, 150 papers, 338 pages. Okay, 150 or 165 pages you can say. Exactly 165 pages. Sorry, 165 papers will be there. 338 pages will be there. Okay, so this is the size of Audit Concise book. You can see the size of Audit Concise book. Okay, in this book, entire concept of entire syllabus of CA Final Audit is covered. Okay, so this is about Audit Concise book. Now coming to question bank. Let me open question bank. Basically in this question bank you will find around 450 questions. Okay, all the questions from the ICI past examination, from RTPs and MTPs, all the questions you will find in this question bank. Okay, around 450 plus questions you will find in this question bank. Okay, this is the second edition of Audit Q&A book. The first edition it was black and white, and the second edition it is completely a color book. Okay, the question you will be finding in brown color, and the answer you will be answer you will be finding in blue color in combination of the same red color. The key terms will be highlighted in the red color. Okay, I'll show this audit Q&A book also, the PDF I'll show you. So this is our CA Final Audit question bank. So the chapter wise page number along with number of questions in that chapter you'll find in the index. Okay, in total there are 469 questions, okay, from all the chapters. That means roughly you can say around figure around 500 questions. So here also chapter wise the questions will be given, and for each question the respective concept, okay, to which topic that question belongs to. Okay, you'll find, see, the first heading is topic, it belongs to leadership responsibility for quality within the firm. Like this, for each question the relevant topic you'll find it has heading. Okay, see, for the second question also the relevant topic, okay, in the top you'll find the topic. Like this, for each and every question the topic to which that question belongs you'll find. Okay, and the question will be in brown color, okay, thick brown color, and the answer will be in blue color, and obviously key terms will be highlighted. See, the importance of highlighting these key terms in red color is that first of all you can focus and you can memorize those key terms, and at the time of revision also they will help you a lot. Okay, you can just go through those key terms, okay, just by turning the papers you can just have a glance at those key terms. So this both Audit Concise book and Audit Question Bank, both these books will help you not only for your preparation but also for your revision before the examination. For 1.5 day revision also these books will help. Why? Because I have marked the key terms in red. Okay, by just going through the key terms you can revise that particular concept. Okay, and beside each question you will also find the marking with respect to when that question was asked. Okay, if that question is taken from ICI study material you will find SM. If let's say that question has been asked in the past examination, then the relevant attempt in which that question was asked you will find November 2022. Let's say it has been taken either from MTP or from RTP, you will find the same. Okay, from which year's MTP it has been taken, you can see MTP May 2024. Okay, from the May 2024 MTP this question has been taken. Like this, for all the questions the respective attempt or the respective RTP or the MTP from which the question has been taken you will find that marking here. Okay, so like this there will be chapter wise questions, 450 plus questions you will find in this audit question bank. Okay, believe me, this question bank is more than enough for your examination. I have tried to cover almost all the questions here. Okay, so this is about audit question bank. I hope you liked these books, and just even for this audit question bank also backside you will find a QR code. Okay, after using this audit concise book for 15 days or 1 month, you please scan this QR code and give your feedback. Again, this feedback it will help to improve the audit question bank for your juniors. Okay, so please don't forget to give feedback. Hope that is clear. Now coming to the pricing of these books, if you see our earlier editions, Audit Concise book, the second edition which was completely black and white, its price was 499, roughly 500 you can say. Even the earlier question bank which was black and white, it was also 499, okay, roughly 500 you can say. Now lot of improvements I have made to these books, okay. I have made these books completely color, I have highlighted key terms, okay, and a lot of improvements I have made. So what should be the pricing of these books? I guess it should be at least 700 to 800, okay, that would be the reasonable price I guess. But do you know what is the price of this book that I am going to uh, keep is just 599. Yes, just 599 rupees you will get audit question bank, okay, for 599. For another 599 you will get audit concise book, okay. I'm just increasing 100 rupees, that's it, okay, from the earlier price of the from second edition of audit concise book. If you see, lot of improvements have been made, but I'm just increasing 100 rupees price. And believe me, I'm not getting any profit on these books, okay. I'm not selling these books for any profit. You don't be, I don't know whether you'll believe or not, the cost that I have incurred for this book is 470 rupees, okay. For 470 rupees, 450 to 470 it has been, the cost of printing this book is 470, and another 100 rupees will go for postage, okay. I'm not additionally charging you for the post, okay. The 599 price that I have told you, it is including postage charges, okay. The postage charge will be 100 rupees, so I am not making any profit on this book, okay. I am just giving this book at the cost price, okay. So you please don't ask me for the discounts on the book, okay. You please don't call me for the discount on the book, because I am giving away this book just at the cost price, okay. Yes, so that is with respect to cost of these books. And these books you can find on our website www.lecturepedia.in, okay. If you want, you can order these two books together, or if you want only one book, you can order one book. Another thing, uh, the printing of these books has not yet completed, okay. Mostly within 4 to 5 days we will be getting the full stock of these books. So if you have placed the order of this book now, the shipping of the book will start from 1st August, okay. The book has been made live on the website, now you can place the orders, but the shipping of the book will start from 1st of August, okay, because still we haven't received the complete consignment, okay. Just for showing you people, I have just got these two copies, okay. Still we haven't received the complete consignment, so shipping will start from 1st August. Hope that is clear. So that is with respect to the delivery of the books. And these books, they will be sent through speed post. You will be from the date of order, roughly within 4 days you will get these books, okay. So that is with respect to books. I hope you liked these books. You can also go through the demo PDF of these books that I will be giving in the description, that I will be giving in the Telegram channel also. If you haven't joined our Telegram channel, our Telegram channel is CA Balakrishna for Audit and Law, okay. Yes, another thing, I have told you that for regular classes I have prepared PowerPoint presentations. I have told you that I have revamped the entire regular classes with the help of those PowerPoint presentations, right? So I'll just show you glimpses of those PPTs. Let me show you. Literally, I've spent a lot of time on these PPTs to make those PPTs. Let me show you. Let's see the PPT of SDG and ESG. In the new syllabus, this chapter has been newly launched now. Sustainable development goals and ESG assurance, right? Let me open this PPT. See, I have tried to prepare these PPTs in the context of the chapter. Okay, the background of the PPTs, all that you will find which is relevant to the context of the chapter. Basically, this chapter it is related to environment, society, governance. Okay, these type of aspects, sustainable development goals. We will be speaking about these chapters. So I have designed these PPT in this manner. You can just see the relevant images for the concepts. So this way entire PPT will be there. Okay, not only for this chapter, for all the chapters the similar type of PPTs will be there. Okay, with the help of these PPTs we will be discussing in our class. Okay, believe me, these classes they are quite engaging, and these classes they are very much lively because of these PPTs. Let me show you PPT of another chapter. Let's take, let's take essay 299. So this PPT is regarding essay 299, joint audit of financial statement, joint auditors. You can find there is our Ram and Beam from Tribular. So like this, the images and the content I have used in the PPTs. So they will help you to remember the concepts. If you just forget any point, by just remembering that image, the entire concept will strike to you even in the examination. So like this, for each and every chapter you'll find a PPT of this kind. Okay, the complete discussion will be from these PPTs, and after discussing the concept from this PPT I will also be going through the Audit Concise book in the class. Okay, I will be explaining line by line from this Audit Concise book also. Okay, we'll first of all discuss the concept roughly. Okay, I will be giving you idea and detailed understanding of the concept with the help of PPT. After that we will be going through the theory of that concept from the book, and after that, after the entire chapter is completed, okay, chapter wise questions will also be discussing in the class. Okay, this is how our regular class will be. Okay, so this is what I have done in the past 4 months. This is the reason why no video has been uploaded onto the YouTube, and from now onwards I'll be active on the YouTube. I'll be helping you people. I'll be motivating you people, and I will be solving your queries from now onwards. Okay, from now onwards I will be active on YouTube and in our channel. Okay, I hope you will thoroughly enjoy these books and the classes that I have prepared for you. So yes, you can purchase these books and the classes from our website www.lecturepedia.in. Yes, that's it for today. I'll be meeting you in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you.